Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Bon Bon in Gacha Club. We'll begin by opening a new character slot in the game. First, select a small, childlike body type to match Bon Bon's appearance. Then, choose a light blue skin tone for the character's base. This easy method will guide you through each step to bring your favorite character to life in just a few minutes. Next, let's focus on Bon Bon's distinctive head features. Pick a short, light blue hairstyle with bangs that frames the face well. For the eyes, select a large, round style that conveys a friendly and innocent expression. Finally, choose a small, simple smile for the mouth to complete the cheerful look. These details are crucial for capturing Bon Bon's essence. Now, let's move on to Bon Bon's iconic outfit. Dress your character in a simple, light blue shirt as the main top. Then, add a crisp white collar and a small, neat red bow tie to complete the upper body. For the lower half, select light blue shorts and don't forget to include white gloves for the hands. These elements are key to the character's recognizable design. For the final touches, carefully adjust any remaining color details to ensure they perfectly match Bon Bon's design. Once the colors are set, choose a cheerful and playful pose that reflects the character's personality. There are many options available, so pick one that truly brings Bon Bon to life. Finally, save your amazing new Bon Bon character to your Gacha Club collection. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.